Good morning, here are the top stories in SEO and AI to start your day.
Vid sponsor index backlinks and pages fast ultimateindexing.com. Watch until end for discount.
Plus, Lotte is making major strides in integrating AI across its massive conglomerate. Next up, a significant funding round is reportedly nearing completion for Nous Research, a company focused on building the infrastructure for decentralized AI agents. Meanwhile, in the world of AI transformation, Lotte Innovate is spearheading the Lotte Group's AI adoption journey by rolling out over 10 custom AI agents. Shifting gears, Mizuho Financial Group is partnering with NVIDIA to explore advanced AI infrastructure for secure generative AI and AI agent deployment within financial institutions. The recency of content also plays a crucial role, with AI models generally favoring more up-to-date information, highlighting the importance of consistent content updates and video content, which YouTube is a significant source for LLMs. In other news, Google's search results are seeing significant challenges for content generated at scale by automated AI systems. Google's resource management, indexing limitations, and quality assessments mean that massive influxes of low-quality AI content can lead to reduced crawling and indexing. This next story might surprise you. Canva's latest update, Code 2.0, is revolutionizing how brands build their online presence by integrating AI-driven application creation directly into their design workflows. This allows marketers to create websites and applications as easily as designing graphics, without writing code, and keeps everything within the Canva ecosystem. This move reflects a broader trend of creative and marketing platforms incorporating no-code and low-code AI tools, empowering brands to manage their entire digital presence from asset creation to campaign launch, reducing reliance on developers and ensuring brand consistency. With AI adoption soaring among developers and Gartner projecting AI to generate 60 of new code by the end of 2026, vibe coding is becoming a key procurement factor. The rise of AI-generated duplicates of independent game concepts is becoming a significant concern, as reported by 404 Media. Shifting gears, Mizuho Financial Group is partnering with NVIDIA to explore the implementation of advanced AI platforms, specifically focusing on enhancing generative AI and AI agent capabilities within the secure confines of financial institutions. Content needs to be structured for AI interpretation, prioritizing clarity and concise information units, and recency of content is also a growing factor in AI-driven discovery. In other news, Google's search results are facing a significant challenge from the mass creation of content by automated AI systems. This can result in pages being removed from the index if they aren't consistently revisited. Manual penalties for scaled content abuse are also on the rise, particularly for sites that engage in low-effort automation like creating numerous similar pages or auto-translating content without proper review, indicating Google's firm stance against manipulative AI content strategies. This allows users to build websites and applications as easily as designing graphics, without writing code, while keeping everything within the familiar Canva ecosystem. This move aligns with a broader industry trend of platforms incorporating AI-powered no-code and low-code tools, enabling marketers to manage the entire process from content creation to campaign launch in a unified, brand-controlled environment. With the widespread adoption of AI coding tools among developers and projections for AI to generate a majority of new code soon, vibe coding is becoming a critical factor in procurement decisions. Good Firm's evaluation process emphasizes human verification and assesses how agencies address the security vulnerabilities found in AI-generated code, ensuring they combine speed with robust engineering practices. The rapid proliferation of AI-generated game clones is casting a long shadow over independent developers. Their focus on open-source AI agents and decentralized computing aims to build a more robust and accessible AI ecosystem. These agents leverage generative AI, LLMs, and RAG technology to automate routine tasks and enhance data-driven decision-making within sectors like food and retail, chemicals, and infrastructure. Shifting gears, Mizuho Financial Group is embarking on a strategic partnership with NVIDIA to explore and enhance its AI infrastructure, particularly for secure generative AI and AI agent deployment within financial institutions. Furthermore, the recency of content is emerging as a key factor, with AI models generally favoring up-to-date information, highlighting the importance of consistent updates and the growing influence of video content. Websites that fail to demonstrate sufficient authority or user engagement for such a high volume of content risk indexing. This is further exacerbated by manual penalties for scaled content abuse, which disproportionately affect sites employing low-effort automation like creating numerous similar pages or auto-translating content without human editorial oversight, indicating a strong pushback against manipulative AI content strategies. This feature allows users to build websites and applications as easily as they design graphics, without needing to write code, keeping marketing professionals within the Canva ecosystem. This strategic move reflects a wider industry trend where creative and marketing platforms are incorporating AI-driven no-code and low-code tools, enabling a more streamlined and brand-controlled process from asset creation to campaign launch. With AI adoption rapidly increasing among developers and projections suggesting AI will soon generate a majority of new code, vibe coding is becoming a crucial factor in procurement. Good Firm's rigorous evaluation process includes human verification and assesses how agencies address the security vulnerabilities inherent in AI-generated code, ensuring that businesses can find partners who effectively blend AI-driven speed with robust engineering practices. The rapid emergence of AI-generated duplicates of independent game concepts is creating significant apprehension within the indie development community. These agents, designed for sectors such as food and retail, chemicals, and infrastructure, leverage generative AI, LLMs, and RAG technology to automate routine tasks and enhance data-driven decision-making. Shifting gears, Mizuho Financial Group is initiating an exploration into advanced AI platforms in collaboration with NVIDIA, with a primary focus on enhancing the security and deployment of generative AI and AI agents within the financial sector. This partnership will involve investigating on-premises GPU infrastructure for research and development, alongside a framework designed for the secure management of AI agents. Content needs to be structured for AI interpretation, prioritizing clarity and conciseness, and the recency of information is becoming an increasingly important factor in AI-driven discovery. In other news, Google's search results are encountering challenges with the extensive creation of content by automated AI systems. Websites that fail to demonstrate sufficient authority or user engagement for such a volume of content risk indexing. Furthermore, manual penalties for scaled content abuse are on the rise, impacting sites that utilize low-effort automation like creating numerous similar pages or auto-translating content without human review, underscoring Google's efforts to curb manipulative AI content strategies. This allows users to build websites and applications as easily as designing graphics, without needing to write code, while keeping all aspects within the familiar Canva ecosystem. This move aligns with a broader industry trend where creative and marketing platforms are incorporating AI-powered no-code and low-code tools, enabling a more streamlined and brand-controlled process from asset creation to campaign launch, reducing dependency on external developers. That's your morning SEO briefing. We'll be back this afternoon with more updates.
Index backlinks and pages fast ultimateindexing.com. Enter Social 20 for 20 discount at website checkout. Like us, comment and subscribe. Thank you.